What our research looked at is what is the impact of these subtle biases on people's performance, on their self-esteem. And my colleague, who I do a lot of research with, did a meta-analysis. A meta-analysis is where you look across so many different studies that are out there. So it's much more important than one particular study. And what she found was that the subtle discrimination almost always had just as bad, if not worse, consequences than the overt discrimination, which is really striking, but it kind of makes sense, Maya, because with the overt discrimination, if somebody says, I don't like you because you're X, then you can say, well, you're sexist, you're racist. But in the case where they're doing something more subtle, what you have to cognitively try to interpret is, do they not like me? Are they racist? Are they rude? Is it something about me? And so that cognitive energy gets spent rather than me performing my task, or it's kept with me. It stays with me and I can't get rid of it. So from these subtle biases, what we then began to look at is, okay, now what are the strategies in which not only individuals can reduce those biases, but what can organizations do to also reduce the biases? And that really gets into the bigger topic of DEI.